Start your day with the power of these words. By saying this simple phrase in the first few minutes after waking up, you set a powerful tone for the entire day. This affirmation will shift your mindset, boost your energy, and align you with the positive vibrations of success. Saying this daily creates momentum for manifesting your desires, and you'll begin to notice changes in your life almost immediately. The first thoughts you have in the morning set the tone for your day. If you wake up with positivity, your entire day will flow with that energy. This is why it's so important to say something empowering and uplifting right when you open your eyes. The mind is most receptive right after waking up, and whatever you choose to think or say can have a profound effect. By starting your day with a powerful affirmation, you're giving your mind the right focus and intention to create the life you desire. By saying the affirmation right away, you signal to the universe that you're ready to receive the abundance you deserve. The words you choose help you focus your energy and shift your mindset into a place of possibility. As you continue saying this phrase each morning, you'll start to notice that your entire day follows the energy you've set in the morning. Another benefit of starting with this affirmation is that it eliminates negative thoughts or worries that can creep in after waking up. Instead of stressing about the tasks ahead or letting doubts arise, you're immediately replacing those negative energies with something uplifting. This sets you up for a day filled with positive opportunities and productivity. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to maintain a positive outlook throughout the day. Your mind becomes trained to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. This simple habit is a powerful tool for manifesting and staying aligned with your goals. Saying this phrase in the morning doesn't just serve as a simple affirmation, it creates momentum for your success throughout the day. As you repeat the words, they activate a ripple effect that carries through everything you do. Your thoughts, actions, and decisions become aligned with the intention you've set, making it easier to stay focused on your goals. Every small step you take after saying this phrase becomes a building block for something bigger. It's like planting seeds in the garden of your success. By starting your day with positivity, you create an energetic flow that amplifies your efforts and leads to larger opportunities. Success doesn't happen all at once. It's the consistent, small actions that build up over time. By saying this affirmation, you create that momentum that leads to bigger results. Your energy is contagious, and by aligning yourself with positivity in the morning, you attract more of the same. When you say this phrase, you're telling the universe that you're ready to receive everything you desire. Doors open, opportunities appear, and solutions flow effortlessly to you. This is the power of setting your intention first thing in the morning. The key is consistency. The more you say this affirmation, the more natural it becomes to stay in alignment with your goals and desires. It's a practice that keeps your energy high and your mindset focused on what's possible, helping you move forward in all areas of your life. Many people wake up with a sense of dread or negativity, especially if they are facing challenges or stress. The first few minutes of your day are crucial because they set the emotional tone for the rest of the day. Saying this powerful affirmation helps you counter any negative emotions that might try to take over. It gives you the opportunity to shift your mindset from worry to positivity, no matter what circumstances you face. Rather than getting stuck in a spiral of negative thinking, use this moment to focus on what you want to create. By saying this phrase, you refocus your thoughts on possibility and success. Even if your mind starts to wander toward stress or frustration, the affirmation brings you back to a positive, empowering place. You become the creator of your day, not a victim of your circumstances. This simple practice helps you reclaim your power and change the direction of your thoughts. Instead of reacting to the day's challenges with negativity, you respond with calm, confidence, and clarity. Saying this affirmation in the morning helps you realize that you have the ability to shape your reality, regardless of what might be happening around you. By taking control of your thoughts first thing in the morning, you set the stage for a day filled with success, productivity, and positive energy. When negativity arises, you can neutralize it by focusing on your intention for the day and using your affirmation to shift back into alignment. Another powerful effect of starting your day with this affirmation is that it fosters gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational energies you can embody, and it's the perfect way to set the tone for your day. Saying this phrase allows you to acknowledge what you already have while also opening the door to even more abundance. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. By saying these words, you invite feelings of gratitude for everything that's already in your life, no matter how big or small. This simple act helps you start the day with a sense of appreciation and acknowledgement, making it easier to attract even more positive energy. Gratitude acts as a magnet, drawing more of what you desire into your life. When you begin each day in a state of gratitude, you become more receptive to the good things that come your way. You start to notice opportunities that you may have otherwise overlooked, whether it's a new opportunity at work, a positive conversation with a friend, or a small moment of joy. Gratitude helps you recognize the abundance already around you. Saying this phrase in the morning also enhances your ability to stay present. Gratitude keeps you focused on the here and now, making it easier to appreciate the small moments of happiness throughout your day. The more you practice this, the more you'll find that your life becomes a series of moments filled with gratitude, joy, and abundance. While you're repeating the phrase, take a moment to visualize what success looks like for you. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifestation. The clearer your vision, the more effectively you can align your thoughts, feelings, and actions to make it a reality. Visualizing your success while saying this affirmation helps solidify your goals and reinforces the belief that you are worthy of achieving them. Close your eyes for a few seconds and imagine yourself already living the life you desire. Whether it's financial freedom, career success, or personal happiness, see it vividly in your mind. By creating this image, you strengthen your ability to manifest it in real life. Your mind doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is imagined, so the more you visualize your success, the more real it becomes. Visualization works hand in hand with the affirmation. When you say the words and pair them with a mental image of your desires, you activate your subconscious mind to take aligned action toward those goals. This mental rehearsal trains your mind to focus on the possibilities and opportunities that will lead you to your desired outcomes. By regularly visualizing your success while using this affirmation, you reinforce the belief that what you desire is already on its way. It's an easy but incredibly powerful practice that sets the stage for abundant manifestation in all areas of your life. Your subconscious mind is the key to unlocking your true potential. It's constantly working in the background, guiding your thoughts, emotions, and actions. By saying this powerful affirmation first thing in the morning, you send a message to your subconscious that you're ready for positive change and abundance. The words you repeat, especially early in the day, are absorbed deeply by your subconscious, helping you reprogram old beliefs and create new, empowering ones. This act of speaking positive words shifts your inner programming, allowing you to feel more confident, capable, and worthy. Over time, your subconscious will begin to automatically focus on solutions and opportunities rather than problems or limitations. This shift in thinking is one of the most powerful tools in manifesting the life you desire. The more you say these affirmations, the more ingrained the new beliefs become. Empowering your subconscious through this morning affirmation creates a solid foundation for your day, ensuring that you approach everything with a mindset of success. You're actively reinforcing the belief that you are deserving of everything you want. As a result, you start noticing positive changes, not just in your mindset, but also in your actions, reactions, and overall energy. Your mind is a tool, and you're the one who can decide what to program it with. By choosing empowering, positive affirmations, you are directing your subconscious mind toward your goals and aligning your thoughts with success. This daily practice is a simple yet profound way to shift your life. When you start your day with an affirmation, you're sharpening your focus for the rest of the day. The more specific and intentional your affirmation, the easier it is to stay focused on your goals and desires. Saying this phrase helps clear the mental clutter and directs your energy towards your most important intentions. You're training your mind to prioritize what matters most and to stay aligned with your vision. This focus doesn't just apply to your goals, it affects every aspect of your day. You'll find it easier to make decisions that align with your intentions, whether it's a choice in your career, relationships, or finances. Starting the day with this affirmation helps you stay on track. The more you strengthen this muscle, the easier it becomes to ignore distractions and stay focused on your path to success. The phrase you repeat in the morning acts as a filter for your thoughts. It helps you sift through the noise and stay focused on what will bring you closer to your goals. You'll begin to see how your energy flows more seamlessly when you have a clear direction. Each moment of focus brings you one step closer to creating the reality you desire. Not only does this practice increase your focus, but it also enhances your productivity. By setting a clear intention for the day and aligning your thoughts with it, you're likely to get more done with less effort. The affirmation creates a sense of direction, helping you use your time and energy more efficiently. Confidence is crucial when it comes to manifesting your dreams. Starting your day with a positive affirmation gives your confidence a significant boost. As you repeat the phrase, you affirm your self-worth and acknowledge that you are capable of achieving greatness. This simple act can have a powerful impact on how you perceive yourself and the world around you. When you tell yourself that you are capable of manifesting your desires, you're actively building trust in your abilities. You're reinforcing the belief that you deserve all the good things coming your way. The more you say these words, the more you begin to believe them. Over time, this affirmation becomes an anchor that keeps your confidence strong, even in the face of challenges. Confidence is not just about believing in your skills. It's about knowing that you can handle whatever comes your way. With this affirmation, you're not just reminding yourself of your worth, you're also strengthening your resilience. And every time you say it, you are reminding yourself that you are worthy of success, love, and abundance. Confidence and self-belief are essential when it comes to attracting what you want. By starting your day with this affirmation, you are reinforcing your inner strength and self-worth. With each repetition, you're laying the foundation for more confidence and belief in your ability to manifest your dreams. The universe responds to the energy you emit, and by starting your day with this affirmation, you send out a signal that you are open and ready for opportunities. This affirmation aligns your vibration with abundance, which in turn attracts more of it into your life. The power of your words, combined with your belief in your own worth, creates a magnetic energy that draws the right opportunities and people to you. As you repeat this phrase each morning, you begin to notice how the universe begins to show up for you. Whether it's a new job offer, a financial opportunity, or a meaningful connection, saying this affirmation primes you to recognize these moments of abundance when they arrive. The more you say it, the more tuned in you become to the opportunities around you. This daily affirmation not only helps you attract external abundance, but also enhances your internal state of wealth. You start to see abundance in all forms, whether it's in the relationships you build, the health you enjoy, or the opportunities you create. The more you focus on abundance, the more it flows into your life. The key to attracting abundance is to believe you are worthy of it. The affirmation you say in the morning helps solidify this belief, and the universe responds by bringing more abundance your way. The more consistently you affirm your worth, the more the universe will deliver the opportunities you seek. A positive mindset is a powerful tool when it comes to manifesting your desires. Starting your day with a powerful affirmation helps you cultivate this mindset by programming your thoughts for success. The more you repeat the phrase, the more your thoughts shift towards positivity and abundance. You'll find that challenges become easier to navigate and opportunities appear more frequently. This affirmation helps you overcome self-doubt and negative thinking patterns, replacing them with a mindset of abundance. As you say it each morning, you begin to see the world through a more positive lens, noticing the opportunities and possibilities that were previously hidden from you. The more you align with positivity, the more your reality reflects that energy. A positive, abundant mindset helps you overcome obstacles and setbacks with resilience. Rather than seeing challenges as roadblocks, you'll begin to see them as opportunities for growth. This shift in thinking is what ultimately helps you achieve your goals. By starting your day with this affirmation, you are cultivating the mindset that will carry you to success. The more you practice this affirmation, the more naturally it becomes to focus on the positive aspects of your life. A positive mindset is not just about feeling good, it's about creating the circumstances that allow your dreams to manifest. By cultivating this mindset, you open the door to endless possibilities and greater success. By saying this powerful affirmation every morning, you set yourself up for a day filled with positivity, success, and abundance. This simple practice helps align your energy with your goals, empowering you to take aligned action and attract the opportunities you desire. The key to manifesting your dreams lies in your mindset and beliefs. By consistently repeating this affirmation, you reinforce the belief that you are worthy of everything you desire. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and techniques to help you manifest your best life.